Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Aviator Predictor app completely free on your Android phone. Whether you're curious about how it works or just want to test it out, I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and open your web browser. Chrome is usually the easiest option. Now, in the search bar, type Aviator Predictor APK download and hit search. You'll see a list of websites that offer the APK file. Make sure to choose a trusted source. Avoid sketchy sites or anything that looks suspicious. Well-known APX hosting sites like AppCombo or AppPoor. Once you're on the website, scroll down and find the Download APX button. Tap on it, and your device will begin downloading the file. Before you can install it, you'll need to allow installations from unknown sources. To do this, go to your phone's settings, then tap Security or Privacy. It depends on your phone. Find the option that says Install Unknown Apps. Tap it. Then select your browser and allow permission to install apps. Once that's done, go back to your download and tap on the APK file. Your phone will ask if you want to install it. Tap Install and wait a few seconds for the process to finish. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Aviator Predictor icon on your home screen. Tap it to open the app. From here, you might be asked to sign up or connect it to an online gaming account, depending on the version. Some versions let you try it for free for an hour or so, while others might offer a demo mode, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Aviator Predictor app on your Android phone. Just remember, apps like these involve risk, and they're often connected to real money games, so be cautious and always do your own research. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.